8 days, 42 witnesses, ranging from those who had some kind of relationship with Moriah Wilson to crime scene specialists. The state has now rested its case. Wednesday morning, the defense started with a latent print examiner who said out of the 20-plus latent prints lifted from around the front of the apartment where Wilson was killed, none matched Kaitlin Armstrong, enough to be conclusive. Next up, the APD officer that initially arrested Armstrong. Remember, that was on an outstanding misdemeanor warrant. Did she seem freaked out? Asked the defense. Officer Niels said not at all. Next, expert witnesses in the fields of DNA and forensic metallurgy or materials science. The metallurgists pushed back on a modern theory of firearm identification, where examiners use tool marks found on cartridge casings and bullets to identify the gun they came from, calling the process essentially unscientific. The DNA consultant discussed transfer DNA, how DNA can travel from one person or thing to another person or thing. Wilson's and Armstrong's DNA were found on Wilson's bike, along with a little male DNA, but not enough to generate a profile. Colin Strickland's and Armstrong's DNA were found on the guns discovered at Strickland's home. You agree that a person's DNA can be in a place that they've never even been, asked the defense, going on to say, and it can be on an item that they've never even touched. Correct, he said.